Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how I prepare containers with hyacinth bulbs. It's one of my favorite things to do in the winter because you get early blooms. So what you need is a container that you like. The first thing I'm going to do is fill up my container with soil. So I have a compost mix here. So I have my container here full of soil, and I made sure to leave a lip just so that I can pop my bulbs in, and then a little bit of moss to top dress the soil. So you can see I'm just gently trimming it out and then really gently tugging on each one of them, and you can see they all separate with their own root system. This is going to be so pretty. Can you imagine when everything's going to be in full bloom? It's going to smell amazing, it's going to look amazing.